Part 2, trees taken down. We are just removing all the debris from the trees. Bringing this old mansion back to life. It's going to be quite a sight when this mansion's all back to life. Beautiful town of Eastport, Maine, with the ocean view. Once these trees are removed, you'll have an ocean view. We are gonna get our arborist friend, Mark, to come in and remove these trees that pose a risk to the neighbor's house. I'll show you in just a second. It's not something we're comfortable with the power lines and the houses being so close. So we are gonna need an arborist. That's how tall they are, and that's how close that house is. And they're on a slant, so naturally they're gonna fall right towards the house. This is the back side of this Hobbs mansion. 6,800 square foot house built in the early 1800s. This was the federal building, the first building. There's no attic. It's just 3 stories. And then you go further out back, out there where we're going to be working. And that's where the project's going to start with the barn. The whole back dropped and collapsed. What that did was it made the front structure fall. Now, I don't know how good of a view you can get, but it sure is a mess. We're just lucky to have James, shout out to James, care enough about Maine heritage to invest the money and time in restoring this building. But yeah, a lot of people that we have consulted with about this project has said, just tear it down, that's a tear down. You know, and we don't happen to feel like that. We think we can fix it, even though it is very, very rough. Hear that tree cracking, that's gonna have to come down. But we'll see. So you go out back here, and this is the horseshoe section. I mean, this house is unreal. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll be showing the aftermath of the tree removal. We'll be doing a tour of the inside of the house, and you'll be able to see what a real haunted mansion looks like. So please stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Any interest in our channel content helps us keep doing what we're doing. It helps us really bring back the heritage of Maine, bring back these old mansions, gets our name out there, and it's really really helpful to our subscribers just to hit that like and subscribe. Even if you don't watch our videos all the time, it really helps our channel. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.